How to recover deleted messages on Messenger. Hello everyone, today this video I am going to show you step by step how to recover deleted messages on Messenger. You have to watch this video till the end so that you can get information about everything. First of all, open your Facebook app and click on your top right 3 lines. After that, you have to click on Settings here. After clicking Settings, scroll down to the bottom. Now here you have to click on Download your information. After that, click on Continue. Now here you have to click on your download and transfer. After that, an option will come. Here you have to select your account whose messages you want to recover. After selecting your account, you have to click on Next. After that, you have to click on specific type of information below. Here you have to select the messages and scroll down. Now click again on the Next. After that, you have to click on your download to device. After that, in the Notify option, enter your email on which Facebook will send you the notification. After adding the email, click on your Create File. Now within a short time, Facebook will send you a notification in which all your messages. Thanks for watching.